Hi, welcome to Athena's Awesome Slime. Today we are gonna make just a plain slime with just white glue and activator is all you need. Okay, so we're gonna pour half a gallon of glue. But if you're doing this at home for the first time, you should probably do less than a gallon. This is for Athena's Awesome Slime stand. So you can use Elmer's activator or Elmer's magical liquid, and if not, you can steal your parents' eye contact solution. Keep mixing it until it's a white slime, and then if you go to my stand, you can customize it all your own. As you see, there's a little bit of an activator in here. Other videos, they kind of show you what to do and then they skip it once they're done doing it into the perfect slime. But I wanted to show you how you actually make the slime. Well, after you make like the slime and stuff, you can add like cool stuff to your slime, like scents and charms. Sand's actually a really cool thing to add into slime. Fake snow. Lotion makes it soft and stretchy. As you see, there's so many pockets of activator we keep finding. And it's so cool how many you can find when you're making slime. To get your slime warm in your hands, and it can feel your hands and feel how they're getting a lot warm. And that can also activate the slime more too. Before I added too much snow fizz, and the slime got really sticky, and I had to add activator. Right now, I'm stretching the slime to see if it's close to being ready. Before I add it onto the table, just in case, I'm gonna add a tiny bit of activator on the table and just spread it. Very nice clicks. Stretches. So big. The reason why I'm not filling them up as much as I usually do is because you guys are gonna add more stuff to it. And right now I'm adding some pigment, so I'm trying to make it a pretty dark blue color. Sometimes people's hands can react to like hard slimes or sticky slimes, but at our stand, we will have like liquids, like activator, glue, lotion, so you can customize it kind of your own. Be adding this like ocean waves glitter. To put a little bit of glitter on the top and then rub it with my fingers in it because it feels super cool. If you accidentally spill glitter, dab it in. And glitter is never too much. Well, it can be too much, but you can always fix it because slime is always fixable if you believe in yourself. Okay, now I have this nice blue slime. I'm going to be adding 3 different types of charms. I'm going to be adding these little things, some blue lines, and I'm also going to be adding these green regular lines. This kind of feels like a Binksu slime, nice and like crunchy. What scent do I have? Let's see. I have coconut ice cream as my scent. Only a little bit of scent because scent's pretty strong. I think I'm almost done. We still have a little bit of slime left over. So now we have to decorate the top of my slime. And then we're gonna add some of these. And then you guys have to top it off with the charms. We custom made these ones, and these ones at home. What charm should we add? This is a hard one. I wonder, maybe a green ladybug? Look at its face. Ooh! Come down to our shop and you can even make your custom own slime. And the 2 first visitors can get one of our beautiful slimes. If you don't live near, I hope this helps you make your own recipe. Bye! Athena, 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 Athena's awesome slime. Athena, 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 awesome slime.